guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. When it comes to wedding shopping, a lot of girls including me get tensed because we do not know where to buy the best dresses or the best sarees from, correct? So today I'll be taking you through places with me from where we can shop for the best dresses or the best sarees for weddings, okay? So I'll be doing the shopping in Hyderabad itself. So today I'll be taking you through those places from where I will personally be doing my wedding shopping from. When it comes to Telugu weddings, there are a few main events wherein we will be needing to wear sarees, right? So firstly we'll talk about those. So on the wedding day, we need to wear the main saree. Usually girls can go for the girlish colors like the pinks, reds, oranges, or even pastel colors. These days many girls are preferring pastels also. That's the first saree. The second one should be a talambralu saree, correct? And that should be usually in either white, gold, cream or silver. So apart from these two sarees, we also need a few more sarees for let's say Vratam, Pelli Kuturu, Kalla Gorlu, all of these events. So we started towards Jubilee Hills and we stopped by at Taruni, and Taruni has an amazing collection of lehengas. Next, for my wedding saree, I stopped by at Kala Mandir and it has an amazing collection of Kanchi Pattu sarees, and I've taken my wedding saree from there itself. I was super hungry by then and I stopped by at Rayalaseema Ruchulu for my lunch, and we had chicken biryani over there and it was okay. It didn't really match up to my expectations. Next, I stopped by at Mugda. And to be very honest, I didn't really like Mugda at all because the prices were too high for the quality they were offering. So next and last, we stopped by at Gayatri Reddy, and look at how beautiful this saree is. So this place is definitely my most favorite one so far because this has an amazing collection of sarees and also lehengas. So the lehengas over here come in pastels, reds, oranges, blues and purples like you can see, and they are very apt for events like Sangeet or Mehndi. Also this place has very good pattu sarees and fancy sarees, so I've also taken a saree from here and the prices are also quite reasonable. Do check it out, girls. So finally, after I'm done with shopping, I also went to Chennai shopping mall just to check out a few gowns for my haldi, but I didn't really like any, so I came back. That's all. Thank you.